Hello, my name is Sandeep and today we'll see the second experiment in case tools lab, that is drawing a class diagram. And in class diagram we have three parts and in a class, that is the top section is the name of the class, then the middle section which is the properties of the class, then the bottom section will be the methods of the class. And two classes may be joined using different type of links like association, which is a generic relationship between two classes, something like this. And then aggregation indicates the whole part relationship that are known as has a relationship. And composition is like if a class cannot exist by itself and instead must be a member of another class, then the class has a composition. For the composition it is like fully filled head. And then dependency, which has dotted lines and an arrow. And then generalization, which is mainly used for the inheritance, like inheriting something from a parent class, and it is termed as is a relationship. And then we have realization, and in realization we have dotted lines plus a arrowhead will be in the triangle shape, and this is realization or implementation. And after this we have something called uh, the basic thing in this class diagram is knowing the different class attributes and then different properties. And after that we can directly jump into the drawing of class diagram. Yeah, here we have the class diagram for HR management system. And in this HR management system I've used uh, different classes like apply leave, feedback, user account, salary, track details, attendance, and HR admin. The most important thing is identifying different properties or functions of different classes. Here I have given a user account class. This is the class name, and then it has few attributes and then the properties like of functions. In this user account we have name, location, and login. Name is of string type and location string, and login is also of string. These are the data types. And then we have different functions for each class. And in user account I have login, sign up, salary details, give feedback, and employee details. All this comes under user account. And similarly I have created different class for apply leave and feedback and also attendance and HR admin. All these things come together and form a complete class diagram of HR resource management. Like we have salary here. Salary has a total salary and a calculate package thing, which are of int types, and the functions are bonus money, overtime, total salary structure, and leave deductions. And similarly we have track details thing. In track details I have used details as string, contact as int because the contact number would be a number, so int. And then attendance int and join date int, and skills as string, and experience again in integer type. And after this there are few functions in track details. Those are edit details, that is a function, and add details, that is also a function, and check attendance, skills, experience. And all these things, here we have plus symbol, and which denotes it is in public, and if we keep it as minus then it is in private. And all these things we can directly right click on this class and then go to add, and then we can give attributes or operation. Operation is nothing but a this function which we have used here, and attributes are these things which I have given string and int. And then now we'll talk about the relationship like between two classes. As shown here there are different type of relations that we can use in between two different classes. The first thing is association. Association is like one to one or many to many or many to one. And then aggregation indicates a whole part relationship like has a. and it is denoted by this diagram, and then composition is denoted by a filled diamond arrow, and then dependency generalization. Here I have used aggregation and composition. In between these two classes I have used composition because it has uh, something it has something called a member of another class. So one class is a member of another class, then it is used by composition, and I've denoted the same thing here. And then feedback and user account. So user account has feedback, and then the same thing user account has attendance, and it also has salary. And at last, the HR admin has the ability to track details because he is having all the details of all the employees present in his uh, company. And then this is of inheritance or generalization, that is a relationship. In is a relationship I have given here HR admin to user account, that is they both are HR admin can have a user account, and user account cannot directly have a HR admin, like he will be handling all the users in a company. So HR is the main priority here. So I have given this generalization, and then this is called a simple association because HR admin can directly track the attendance. So this is a simple association. All different things are composition and aggregation. So this is how we draw a class diagram for HR management system. Thank you.